Welcome to our journey towards building an inclusive society. In this video, we will explore the essence and importance of inclusivity. But first, what exactly does inclusivity mean? Inclusivity means embracing diversity and ensuring everyone feels valued and respected, regardless of their differences. It is the foundation of a harmonious and thriving community. Why is inclusivity important, you ask? When we create an environment where everyone feels welcome, we not only enrich our own lives, but also enhance the well-being and productivity of the entire community. Inclusivity fosters mutual respect, understanding, and cooperation, laying the groundwork for a more cohesive and resilient society. Throughout this video, we will delve into various aspects of inclusivity, from understanding diversity and addressing challenges of non-inclusivity to taking the first steps towards creating inclusive communities and workplaces. We will highlight real-life success stories and explore the vital roles social activists, educators, and policymakers play in this movement. So let's embark on this enlightening journey together to build a society where everyone feels included and empowered. As we progress, you'll discover the many shades of inclusivity and how you can be a part of this transformative movement. Welcome to a journey towards understanding diversity. But what is diversity? Broadly, it's the presence of differences that enrich our lives. These differences can be in race, gender, age, abilities, and much more, forming the complex mosaic of our communities. There are various types of diversity, each bringing a unique perspective and value. Gender diversity acknowledges the different roles and contributions across the gender spectrum. Racial diversity celebrates various ethnic backgrounds and heritages. Age diversity bridges generations, fostering mutual respect and learning. And then there's diversity of abilities, where we recognize and appreciate the strengths of individuals with different physical and cognitive abilities. Embracing diversity fosters innovation and creativity. When people with varied experiences and perspectives collaborate, they arrive at more innovative solutions. It enriches our communities by making them more vibrant and resilient. Beyond the tangible benefits, embracing diversity is about understanding and valuing each other's humanity. It's about seeing the richness in our differences and realizing that together, we are stronger. As we dive deeper, let's uncover the profound impact of diversity on our lives and communities. In a world where non-inclusivity persists, countless individuals face discrimination, isolation, and missed opportunities. These non-inclusive behaviors manifest in everyday situations, at work, in schools, and within our communities, serving as silent segregators. The impact on the left out can be profound, leading to feelings of invisibility and worthlessness. Consider the workplace where diverse talents are overlooked, the classroom where some students feel unsupported, or community events where only certain voices are heard. When non-inclusivity reigns, the potential of individuals and the vibrancy of communities are diminished. We must recognize these challenges head-on. For change to take root, we need a collective awakening to the harms caused by non-inclusivity. By highlighting these issues, we can begin to dismantle the barriers that divide us and pave the way towards a more inclusive society. Join us in this critical dialogue as we uncover the first steps towards fostering inclusivity and ensuring no one is left behind. The journey towards inclusivity begins with awareness and education. Understanding the value of diversity and recognizing the importance of every individual's role initiates change. Small community initiatives can make a significant difference. Actions like hosting inclusive workshops or creating platforms for underrepresented voices can spark substantial transformations. These small yet impactful steps not only build stronger, more cohesive communities, but also inspire broader societal shifts. Every effort, no matter how minor, contributes to the larger picture of inclusivity. As we progress, you'll see how these foundational steps pave the way for more structured, large-scale inclusivity efforts. In the next segment, we'll delve into how communities can actively engage and build a supportive environment for everyone. Building inclusive communities requires active and passionate engagement. It starts with creating spaces where everyone feels valued and heard. Community engagement plays a vital role, bringing together diverse voices to shape a shared vision of inclusivity. Supportive policies are the backbone of these efforts. ensuring that inclusivity is not just an ideal, but a practiced reality. Policies crafted with empathy and understanding can dismantle barriers and foster equity. Robust support systems provide the necessary foundation, offering resources and assistance to all community members. These systems empower individuals, enabling them to thrive and contribute meaningfully. By integrating these elements, engagement, policy, and support, we can build communities that truly embody inclusivity. Inclusive communities recognize and celebrate diversity, creating environments where everyone can flourish. As we progress, you'll discover how education plays a crucial role in this process, paving the way for a more inclusive future for all. Education is the cornerstone of an inclusive society. By integrating an inclusive curriculum, we ensure that all students, irrespective of their backgrounds, have equal opportunities to learn and grow. Diverse learning environments are not just beneficial for students with different needs, but enrich the educational experience for everyone. When students from various walks of life learn together, they develop empathy, understanding, and a sense of community. Inclusive education creates a foundation where every child feels valued and understood, fostering a culture of respect and acceptance. This is not merely an educational benefit, but a societal one, as these young minds grow into adults who champion diversity and inclusion in every sphere of life. By promoting inclusive education, we plant the seeds for a more inclusive society. We build a future where no child is left behind, and every student's unique abilities and perspectives are celebrated. As we progress, you'll see how these principles of inclusivity expand beyond the classroom, influencing workplaces, public spaces, and beyond, shaping a world where everyone has a place. Workplace inclusivity isn't just a noble idea, it's a driver of success for businesses and a boon for employees. When hiring practices embrace inclusivity, they attract a diverse array of talents and perspectives. This diversity fosters creativity and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Inclusive work environments nurture a sense of belonging, where everyone feels their contributions are valued. This sense of belonging boosts employee morale and productivity, creating a positive feedback loop that benefits the entire organization. Companies that prioritize inclusivity stand out, attracting top talent and loyal customers who value ethical practices. Inclusive workplaces are therefore not just good for people, they're essential for thriving businesses. As we delve further into our journey, let's explore how other public spaces can similarly benefit from inclusivity and accessibility. Creating inclusive public spaces is essential for fostering a sense of community and belonging. Accessible infrastructure ensures that everyone, regardless of their abilities, can navigate and enjoy public areas effortlessly. These spaces become a melting pot for public events where diverse groups can come together, celebrate, and share experiences. By designing public spaces with accessibility in mind, we encourage broader community participation and enrich social interactions. Imagine parks where wheelchair users can move freely, playgrounds where children of all abilities can play together, and public squares that host vibrant, inclusive events. Such environments not only enhance our physical surroundings, but also promote social cohesion and mutual respect. As we move forward in our journey, let's explore the transformative power of inclusive public spaces. They're not just about accessibility, they are about creating a shared space where everyone feels welcomed and valued. By investing in these areas, we build stronger, more resilient communities. Healthcare plays a crucial role in our journey towards building an inclusive society. Inclusive healthcare services are accessible, culturally competent, and centered around the needs of all patients. Ensuring that everyone has access to healthcare means breaking down barriers, whether they're physical, economical, or cultural. Healthcare providers must be trained to understand and respect the diverse backgrounds of their patients. This cultural competence helps in creating a comfortable and trusting environment for everyone seeking care. At the heart of inclusive healthcare is patient-centered care. Each person is unique, and their healthcare needs and preferences should be considered and respected. When healthcare is truly inclusive, it empowers individuals, promotes equality, and strengthens communities. It's about more than just treating illnesses. It's about fostering a sense of belonging and providing the support necessary for everyone to lead healthy lives. As we continue, we will explore how inclusive media representation plays a pivotal role in shaping public perceptions and fostering understanding. Media has extraordinary power. It shapes our perceptions, influences our beliefs, and can either reinforce stereotypes or break them down. When media representation is diverse, it reflects the true tapestry of our society, promoting understanding and acceptance. Seeing a wide array of stories, voices, and experiences fosters empathy and reduces prejudices. Inclusive media isn't just about visibility, it's about authenticity. It highlights the richness of different cultures, abilities, and identities, weaving them into the fabric of everyday storytelling. This kind of representation not only empowers those who see themselves reflected on screen, but also educates and informs wider audiences about the beauty of diversity. The impact is profound. When people see themselves accurately represented, it validates their experiences and fosters a sense of belonging. In turn, this builds a stronger, more connected society. As we celebrate and amplify these voices, we encourage a more inclusive world both on and off the screen. As we proceed, let's explore how real-life stories of diverse representation have transformed communities and inspired action. In every corner of our communities, there are inspiring stories of inclusivity that show us what's possible. These are real-life examples where inclusive initiatives have led to profound positive outcomes. Take, for instance, the neighborhood that transformed its local park to be accessible for all abilities, fostering a newfound sense of connection and joy. Or the school that revamped its curriculum to reflect diversity, resulting in students who not only excel academically, but also grow empathetically. These stories are not isolated incidents. They are beacons of hope and motivation. They demonstrate the tangible benefits of inclusivity, such as increased community participation, better mental health, and stronger social bonds. Hearing about these successes can inspire others to take action in their own communities, sparking a ripple effect of positive change. As we celebrate these successes, remember that the journey towards inclusivity is a collective one. Each step forward is a testament to the power of coming together and creating environments where everyone can thrive. Social activists are driving forces behind the push for inclusivity. These dedicated individuals tirelessly advocate for the rights of the marginalized, ensuring that every voice is heard. Activists fight for policies that embrace diversity and promote unity, working on the ground to tackle discrimination at its roots. Through grassroots campaigns and community-led initiatives, activists highlight the importance of inclusivity and inspire others to join their cause. They serve as community leaders, guiding and mentoring the next generation of changemakers. The impact of their work is profound, creating ripples of positive change that can be felt far and wide. Stories of success born from activism demonstrate that collective effort can overcome even the most entrenched barriers. As we recognize the vital role these activists play, their stories remind us that inclusivity starts with each of us, and together, we can build a world where everyone belongs. As we move forward, you'll see how governmental support further amplifies these efforts, ensuring lasting change. As we continue our journey towards an inclusive society, it's essential to recognize the pivotal role of government and policy support. Inclusive policies lay the groundwork for equality and diversity. They ensure that everyone, regardless of their background, feels valued and integrated. Government initiatives can spark significant change, setting the stage for communities to thrive. Whether through funding diverse programs or advocating for inclusive legislation, the impact of government actions cannot be overstated. One crucial aspect of such policies is their long-term sustainability. They are designed to create lasting change, empowering communities and promoting collective growth. When governments commit to inclusivity, they provide the framework and support necessary for societal transformation. Inclusive policies can lead to increased community participation, better educational outcomes, and more equitable healthcare services. The ripple effect of these policies touches every facet of society, fostering an environment where diversity is celebrated. As we progress, you'll see how different sectors can contribute to this transformation. Join us in exploring the collective efforts that drive our communities towards a brighter, more inclusive future. The role of community engagement and participation in the journey towards inclusivity cannot be overstated. When individuals come together, they create a powerful sense of belonging that strengthens the fabric of any community. Collaborative efforts, whether through small neighborhood events, shared initiatives, or inclusive projects, drive real change and foster an environment where everyone feels valued and respected. When we actively involve ourselves and others, we break down barriers and build bridges of understanding. Community engagement isn't just about being involved, it's about creating spaces where every voice can be heard and everyone can contribute meaningfully. As we look at the various facets of inclusivity, remember that each collaborative step we take brings us closer to a society where everyone feels they belong. As we progress, you'll see how continued efforts and initiatives can further strengthen this collective journey towards inclusivity. As we conclude, let's envision the future of inclusivity. This journey is far from over. It's an ongoing effort that requires every one of us to contribute. Imagine a world where diverse voices are uplifted, where everyone feels valued and respected. Every small step we take today can significantly impact tomorrow. From inclusive education in workplaces to accessible public spaces and healthcare, the path forward is paved with opportunity. Let's continue advocating, educating, and implementing changes that promote inclusivity in all aspects of life. The future is bright when we work together. Remember, our actions today shape the world we dream for future generations. Together, we can build a future where everyone feels valued and included.